A standing desk boosts productivity, improves posture, and reduces back pain from prolonged sitting. Easily alternate between sitting and standing to stay active while working. Without it, you risk poor circulation, fatigue, and long-term health issues. Invest now to enhance your home office comfort, energy, and health. Don't wait for the pain to start before making the change. There are many types of standing desk for home office with unique features and prices. I researched thoroughly to find the best standing desk for home office that offer great value. Let's get started. The top 5 best standing desk for home office review. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Number 5. FlexiSpot Comhar Electric Standing Desk. Upgrade your home office with a FlexiSpot Comhar Electric Standing Desk, optimized for work-from-home efficiency and comfort. Built with an industrial-grade steel frame and a powerful electric motor, this desk supports up to 110 pounds and transitions smoothly from 28.3 inch to 48 height with the push of a button. Perfect for alternating between sitting and standing throughout your day. The 48-inch whole-piece white desktop features a convenient storage drawer to keep your workspace clutter-free. Embedded USB Type-C, 45W, and Type-A, 27W. Charging ports allow you to power multiple devices easily. Note: laptop charging not supported and ports pause during height adjustment. With 4 programmable presets, you can quickly switch to your ideal height setting. Its sleek white design blends seamlessly into any home office. Easy to assemble with included tools and instructions. The Comhar Standing Desk is your all-in-one solution for productivity and comfort. Number 4. Huanua 48x24 Electric Standing Desk. Enhance your home office with the Huanua 48x24 Electric Standing Desk, designed for both function and comfort. Enjoy efficient desktop organization with 2 built-in drawers and an open storage cubicle. Ideal for stashing your keyboard, mouse, and daily essentials. The spacious 48 desktop offers ample room for monitors, accessories, and even a touch of personal decor. Built with a 2.36 extended rear platform, it's compatible with C-clamp monitor mounts, helping you achieve ergonomic screen placement or elevate your setup with a riser. Flexible height adjustment ranges from 27.5 to 46.4. Allowing easy transitions between sitting and standing to reduce fatigue and boost productivity. Smart features like curved ergonomic edges reduce accidental bumps, while 4 programmable presets ensure one-touch access to your preferred height settings. With 2 convenient side hooks for headphones or bags, this black standing desk is the perfect blend of style, storage, and smart functionality. Number 3. Vari Electric Standing Desk. Upgrade your workspace with a Vari Electric Standing Desk, a premium sit/stand solution designed for home or office. With quick setup in under 10 minutes thanks to the patented Quick Attach system. This desk includes a pre-installed frame and slide and lock legs for effortless assembly. The dual-motor lift system ensures quiet electric operation, transitioning smoothly between heights from 25-inch to 50.5 at the touch of a button. Enjoy enhanced stability with a durable, one-piece tabletop finished in 3D laminate and supported by heavy-duty T-style legs that provide strength and balance. Customizable height presets let you save up to 4 preferred positions for sitting or standing, enhancing comfort and productivity. Ideal as a home office or gaming workstation, this desk combines functionality, elegance, and long-lasting performance. Trust in Vari's quality, backed by a lifetime warranty and a reputation built on innovation in ergonomic office solutions. Number 2. Ciego L-Shaped Standing Desk. Boost productivity with a Ciego L-Shaped Standing Desk, 63 inches by 55 inches. Designed for home offices, gaming setups, and multitasking workstations. The smart L-shaped layout offers ample space to streamline your workflow and keep essentials within reach. Built with a durable splice board and 3 sturdy legs, it supports up to 250 pounds and has passed 50,000 lift cycle tests. The Smart Memory Controller allows one-touch adjustment between 27.5-inch, 45.7, with 3 customizable presets and a child safety lock. Enjoy flexible installation with reversible long-side configuration to fit any room layout. A quiet motor, under 48 dB, ensures smooth transitions without disturbing your environment. Stay connected with 3 AC outlets and dual USB ports, Type A/C, while cable management and dual headphone hooks keep your space clutter-free. Easy to assemble in just 45 minutes, backed by a 2-year warranty and 30-day return policy. Number 1. Vari Comfort Edge Electric Height Adjustable Standing Desk. Elevate your workspace with a Vari Comfort Edge Electric Standing Desk, 72 by 30, light wood. A perfect blend of ergonomic design and modern functionality. The sloped Comfort Edge front supports a natural typing position, reducing wrist and arm strain during long hours. Powered by a quiet motor, the desk offers smooth height adjustments from 25-inch to 50.5, with 4 programmable presets for personalized comfort. Built with a durable 3D laminate surface, stable T-style legs, and a solid frame, it supports up to 220 pounds, ensuring long-lasting performance. Quick and easy assembly is made possible with a pre-installed frame and slide and lock legs, letting you set up in minutes. Delivered in 2 convenient packages, this desk is perfect for home or office use. Compatible with monitor arms and accessories, the Vari Comfort Edge desk delivers a clean, ergonomic, and highly efficient sit-stand workspace. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.